What's up everybody, it's your boy Mojo aka Sugar Daddy and आज एक special day है and I have been waiting to share this day with you guys. We finally have received our silver play button. Voila! A wonderful letter from YouTube as well. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! And congratulations everybody! Let go! Wow! This play button is just not ours. It belongs to all of you guys who are watching and who have supported us till date. The shoe collectors, the sneaker lovers, the people who have commented, people who have asked for help at 1 a.m. We were just a small Indian startup who wanted to help people clean their kicks. We didn't even know if India really needed proper shoe care. But you showed up, you commented, you bought our products, and some of you guys even roasted us. But it doesn't matter. We just love it all. And today, because of you guys, we are here celebrating this moment. और इसी चीज को celebrate करने के लिए we are giving away 3 Sugar Ultimate Cleaning Kits. It's all random draw. It's all pure love. Just like the way you guys have showed love to us, this is how we're gonna show the love to you guys. These are the 3 lucky winners. Thank you guys for subscribing and congratulations. Your kicks are about to live a long, fresh life. But make sure the winner should DM us on Instagram @sugar_India to claim your rewards. You know guys, this is just not our milestone. It's our milestone, guys. It's you, me, and everybody, and even in the Sugar family, we've been working so hard. My editors, people who've been part of our videos. Thank you for being part of the Sugar family. And as always, do not forget to love your shoes. And it's your boy Mojo who's gonna make more love to this. Till then, see ya!